how to apply fade out effects on your audio in KineMaster app. So if you want your audio in KineMaster app to fade slowly towards the end, then let me show you how you can do it. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do so, just go over to these settings and then choose the audio option. Make sure it is selected. Now under this, scroll down until you see the audio fade out option, which is here. As you can see, currently it is turned off. To turn it on, just go ahead and tap on this to toggle, and it is now on. From here, choose the duration of the fade out. You can either increase or reduce it depending on how you want it, and I'll leave it at 3 seconds. Then go ahead and close it when you tap on this X, and it will go ahead and be applied. Now let's go ahead and listen towards the end of this audio and see if the effects were applied.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Great. So you can see the fade out effects were applied successfully. That's how you add fade out effects on your videos in KineMaster. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.